It's a very important day today when INS Jalashwa has come again to Sri Lanka. 3 years ago, almost 3 years ago, 30th May 2017, she had come here with flood relief, underlining and highlighting India's efforts to reach out to their neighbors in the time of their need, because that was the time when there were floods here. So as a first responder to our closest maritime neighbor, the Indian Navy had come here with assistance, and today about 700 Indians INS Jalashwa will be taking back to their home, to the land of their home and their hopes. And these 700 Indians have been here for a few months because of the COVID-19 related situation, the inability to travel back, and today Indian Navy is proudly adding one more chapter to its volumes of its glorious deeds in the service of the nation. As the banner there says, Har Kaam Desh Ke Naam, they have literally fulfilled that, every word of that phrase through their action. And this is not the first voyage of INS Jalashwa. It has been on the sea for a continuous stretch of time, and after today, when it goes back to Tuticorin, it will again remain on the sea, journeying to different lands, taking back stranded Indians. It's a very big service to the nation, and we wholeheartedly thank the Indian Navy for that. We also thank the various departments of the ministry, and the Government of India, who have worked tirelessly to make this possible. The Government of Tamil Nadu, and of course here the Government of Sri Lanka. Here, as you can see, it is not a place where there are usual facilities for immigration or customs, but they have set up everything here, including an online system for immigration clearance, customs clearance, checking and everything. Even health officials are here. So the Government of Sri Lanka has also, like a true friend and true neighbor, they have cooperated wholeheartedly in this endeavor, and because of the cooperation of everyone, today the hope of these Indians to return back to their country, to their homeland, are being realized. So we are very happy. We have worked, my colleagues in the High Commission, I would like to say a big thank you to them also. They have worked tirelessly, they have planned this thing, this operation meticulously at this end,